everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and today I have a super quick, super easy double shaker card. So I had this set from Not Too Shabby, and I'm showing you guys everything that I've used for this card. I didn't want to keep this video super long because it was really simple to put together. So I'd already went ahead and die cut all my pieces out and colored my little duck, which I completely love this little duck. So I will make sure everything is linked down in the box below. Be sure to check that out. Any questions you guys have, comments, like just make sure you leave them down below because I really like interacting with everybody. So I had already cut my ovals out and I thought that they looked like eggs. So I thought this little duck was perfect. So I went ahead and grabbed the Doodlebug Designs barbecue paper pack. I love Doodlebug. I've fallen more in love with it every day. So I went ahead and cut out the shapes, and I did put some double-sided foam. It's a hefty Doodle foam, and it's thick. And I wanted to do that for my top one because I kind of wanted to highlight that little duck. So I grabbed the sentiment, sprays in the air, and I wanted to make sure that I had the sentiment somewhere. I knew it was not going to, I didn't want it to be around the card or go over top of it. So luckily I was able to fit it in right next to this cute little duck. So I'm going to be using the Sparkle Blends, the new one, which is Spring Chicks, and the Hey Chickie. And I just grabbed pieces out of the blends that I wanted to use. So you see me keep going up and measuring, making sure that that spot is going to not cover up the little duck completely. So for the bottom, and this is where I thought, okay, well, I wanted those pieces to kind of be on top of the shaker. So for the larger oval, I did go ahead and grab some of my double-sided adhesive foam strips that I got from Amazon. Now these aren't super thick. I don't know. It's just what it is. So I went ahead and went around the entire oval. And with this, you want to make sure you take that backing paper off or else they're not going to bend the way you want them to bend. So now that I have that all on, I'm going to go ahead and grab some of my little glass beads because they're clear and it's not really going to cover up the background very much. And then I'm going to take another piece of acetate. I like to do this with all my shaker cards. I like to double up the acetate. So I'll have one sheet in the front, and then after I get my shaker bits in there, I will put another piece of acetate on the back. Normally I don't use full sheets, just kind of whatever I have laying around. So this video is going to be my video for Sparkle Blends for my design team post. I just thought this was such a fun idea to do a double shaker like this. Now I'd seen my good friend Charlene, and I will link her channel down below too. She did one where she layered two square shakers on top of each other, and I'm like, okay, well, I kind of like the egg idea, so I made a little prototype and I just went with it. So for, like I said, that little egg, I went ahead and as you see, my fingers keep getting stuck to the adhesive. The nice thing about the Hefty Doodle one is your bits don't stick to the sides of the tape. So again, I'm just grabbing a piece of spare acetate that I have. I'm going to cover it up and cut off the excess. Now, what I did do, and I went back and fixed my mistake, is I used liquid adhesive around this. And for some reason, my hands were shaking like crazy today, and man, I smushed that glue all over the place. So I was able to go back and wipe it off because you can kind of see where it's starting to, as you move it, you'll see the glue spots, and I did not want that. So I did fix that. So I would recommend like a tape runner or just a double-sided adhesive, like score tape or something like that. I went ahead and just glued this to my base, and that's pretty much it. Be sure to check out the description box below. Like I said, I'm going to have everything linked, and I will also link Charlene's channel down below too because she gave me the inspiration for this card. So until next time, guys, bye. bye.